Alrighty guys, I got a 2019 Civic, doing a little work on it, but I'm going to show y'all how to reset the oil light. I just did an oil change, so I'm going to show you guys. Turn the ignition on, right, and wait for the screen here. Alright, that window's loud. Alright, so we're going to toggle through until we get to this screen here. I'm sorry. This screen here, vehicle settings. And then you're going to scroll down to maintenance info. And I usually do all due items, but you can do them separately because different maintenance items are due at different times. But reset completed, so we should be able to go back to this, which I originally said. There we go, just like that. I hope that wasn't too hard, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. Have a great day.